2008 Honda Accord with 4 cylinders. I'm gonna be replacing or swapping the transmission on this vehicle. Okay, I'm gonna start by removing the battery here, 10mm bolt nut, and the bracket here. Bolt. This is for the air intake housing. For the air filter housing. Material flow sensor. And now this for the air intake tube, 10mm bolt here. Gotta take it off from the throttle body. Like this. It's clamps here for these hoses. Or either you can take them off from here. This one, but for now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it off from here. Okay, I'm gonna put this piece of right here. See if I can twist this hose. It's kind of stuck. It's a very small hose, but started to come out. Okay, this has another hose here, small hose. Okay, loose. That's a clip here. This one here, and another one here too. Just be careful, don't damage the. See here? It's only clip. Just do this here. Aside this one, has 2 clips over here. Not seen on camera. You just kind of lift this up. Take this off. This 10mm bolt here. Okay. And what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna see if I can take it out from the top of the engine. I'm gonna throttle body. Okay. Taking this sensor. 8mm bolt, by the way. Here. This one here. See if I can fire it here a little bit without damaging it. I'm gonna see without damaging here, see if I can get it out. Yes. So I'm gonna pull it out. So I don't want this to be on my way. Because this is my way for all the stuff here. Right here. This 2 10mm bolts on for the fan here. Okay, I got that one. Clips over here. Okay, now I'm gonna be removing the plate right there for the battery. 1, 2. Then we have 2 here in this direction, 1 here and 1 here beneath, and 110 that holds this 10mm bolt here for the negative cable. Now I'm gonna see if I can place that camera right there, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to. right there, and also there is a small bracket here in this, but as I'm saying, I don't know if the camera is getting that or not. Hopefully I'm getting it, because I have the camera beneath the under the plate for the battery, and that's the cable right there. Okay, this is for the battery here, and it's a 10mm bolt, and somewhere here I can see, and 12mm bolt by that area right there, something like that. I believe, oh, this one is one, then there is another one there by there, something like that, I can see. And remove this from this. All you gotta do is press on this tab here. There is a tab. When I get it out, I'm gonna show it. So that's the tab right there for those. They are accessible from here. You can go from here with a kind of long extension. The 12mm bolt right there. Right here. And I got this one out already. Not showing camera in this direction. Now this I prefer a wobble socket right there, 12mm socket. I'm doing this with a ratchet because I already loosened. 10mm bolt right there. That's the two on the bottom, one hit, two 12mm bolt, and this is the tab here. You just lift up this tab here, oops, and get it out. Now this tab is on the way to get this one off, so you have to take it out first. Just want to show the 10mm bolt goes here, holding the cable, the positive, the negative for the battery here. These hoses, can remove them from here, or either from here or from here. So I have decided to do it from here, right there. Then 12mm bolt here. These are ready for the intake. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the one here at the bottom, and this is for the bracket, 12mm bolt. In that direction right there, this is the bracket here. This is not the old 12. Another nut here. The bolt. Bolt here. Another one on this direction here. A corner here. Here. Small vacuum hoses here. If you feel like something is holding it, don't keep bringing it out if something is holding it. So it has two hoses here. And so I don't like to get confused. I'm gonna paint it, and I'm gonna paint it here one color, and the other one I'm gonna paint it another color, red. So no way to get lost, just in case. The other one here, this one here, I'm not gonna paint it. I'm not gonna get lost with that one, I'm pretty sure. All right.